tracking this nor'easter slamming the tri-state. Let's head over to meteorologist Stacey Ann Gooden with the very latest on this timeline. Stacey Ann.
Yeah, and you know what? The timeline is winding down. It's actually getting a little bit better. We talked about a lot of the high wind warning. Things have been slowly expiring and clearing up. Of course, we're still left with some showers in and around the area. Not exactly as widespread as when we started our broadcast this morning, but still, there are some areas where you're looking at a little bit of a break in between, but still have the umbrella handy just to play it safe. Winds are still coming in out of the northeast. Now, although those winds are steadily winding down, we talked about a lot of those advisories being wrapped up sooner, but still some coastal concerns. There's still some minor coastal flooding to significant coastal flooding, depending on where you are. So that's something that we're going to continue to watch for you, widening things out. Still, it is wet. It is slippery out there, so take it with caution if you do have to travel today. Here's a look at the timeline. We eventually see things wind down. It'll continue to improve throughout the day. Scattered showers. This is the 5 o'clock hour in and around Long Island, particularly Suffolk, Nassau, even into the 5 boroughs. Still, those showers will continue off and on. So occasionally you'll see those heavy downpours, and then at times it'll kind of stop. By tomorrow morning, we're pretty much done with this thing. It'll continue to diminish. The clouds will eventually clear out. May take some time. May not see the sun come out as bright tomorrow. However, you'll see it on Wednesday. Up to about 12-foot waves still on the table. That's what we expect up and down the eastern seaboard. It's been wreaking havoc with this coastal situation. Of course, this nor'easter has been really causing for problems around the tri-state, and will continue to do so. It's just getting better moment by moment. You just got to give it some time. Aside from a few early morning sprinkles tomorrow, we dry out. Breezy conditions will continue, just not as windy. And then it gets cooler, drier. We have a secondary front coming through at that point for your Thursday, and then for the rest of the week into the weekend, looking great. Now the breast cancer walk happening on Sunday should be okay. That rain not arriving until later in the evening, and hey, we may top out at around 71 degrees. That's your PIX 11 weather forecast.